Hello everybody, welcome to a new video. For today we are going to unbox and review the new Flare RT rear bike light for Bontrager. So stay with until the end of the video because I'm going to mount the light on my Canyon Endurace and see how it works. So before opening the box, first of all, I want to thank you for coming and joining me in this video. Please subscribe to the channel and give a like to this video. I take out some information from the Trek website about the specification of this light, and I'm going to read them. So Trek specs this as a compact and powerful USB rechargeable rear bike light for daytime. Trek says that compared to the previous model, this light is 36% smaller, 30% more powerful, and runs 20% longer. With an updated USB port, seal out water on even the wettest ride, and distinctive flash, focus, and range enable it to be seen from 2 kilometers away during time hours. So they looks like a pretty impressive specification. And actually the 2 kilometer distance is one of the specs which convinced me to buy this light instead of other lights. Some product detail about this Flare RT, which again is the rear bike daytime light. Is specifically designed for focus, flash and range for ultimate daytime visibility. The interruptive flash pattern produces up to 90 lumens for ultimate daytime visibility. The integrated light sensor auto-adjusts brightness to your environment. So there is the auto-adjustment of the intensity of the light. Very interesting. I have a Brighton by computer, so probably I don't have this possibility, but for you out having Garmin or a Bontrager by computer, you can connect through Ant Plus. Battery duration. In flash mode, using 90 lumens, you have 6 hours, 45 lumens, 12 hours, and 5 lumens, 15 hours. Steady mode, which is fixed mode, it's 25 lumens per hour and 5 lumens, 4.5 hour and 5 lumens, 13.5 hour. I personally think the flash mode is the best, but in any case, I will try both in my future ride and see what fits the best. Ride through wet condition. Oh yes, this is interesting. There is an updated USB port with IPX7 waterproof rating. This is really interesting. There is a battery save mode which provides 30 minutes of additional runtime when battery life reaches 5%. Includes Flare RT light, quick connect bracket, and we see at the end of the video the connection to my bike, and a mini USB charging cable. Without further ado, let's go and open the box. Well packed. Miracle blades. So here is the box, very clean package, specification, here is the daytime visibility, so let's go and open alright. So, very small, here is the light. So there is the connection for the quick connector, the power on button, and the USB connector here. So let's see if there is okay, this is the quick release, interesting. So hopefully it will fit my bike saddle, I think so. Very small and short USB cable, mini USB. Right, so luckily this is the same cable I have for my bike computer, so I don't need so many cables. Okay, and here there is I guess the user manual. Lot of specification. So let's see if there is a little bit of power. Oh yes, wow. Oh, this is also blinking. Oh, maybe this way. Steady, steady, blinking. This is really amazing. Whoa, this is impressive. This is also blinking. And this is blinking, but very light. Power off, I guess I have to, yes, press and hold, and it will stop. I'm still shocked by the light. It's really bright. So far, very light. Oh, so let me go and take the scale so we can wait. Let's wait. So it says 23 grams. It says 23 grams with without the support, and with the support goes up to 34 grams. So I would say it's not going to change a lot of the weight of our bike. Okay, so what I want to say, unboxing the carton box, very clean, really nice, very well done, good job Bontrager Trek. The light is looks really amazing, really nice, nicer than the picture on the website. And now let's go and mount this on the bike. Let's go. Okay, we are outside. There is a little bit of strange lights this morning, and I brought outside my lights, which I'm going to mount on the seat post of the saddle. So first of all, very easy, I connect this in this way, then I take the button on top, and then I'm going to, oh, there is a, okay, cool, done. It's really nice. As you can see, maybe here on the light, you can see better. Very easy. Very good. So again, thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel, give a like to the video, and see you the next time. Ciao.